Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. New here. Welcome to my channel. If you guys could give me a thumbs up, you all know what to do. All right. Just got through at Chapel Hill Hospital for my follow-up appointment for my colon rectal surgery. Everything went good. Yeah, everything went fine. So that long drive takes about an hour to get there. Take about 30 minutes, park your car and go across the street, go in the hospital. Then you got to check in and everything. So the whole ordeal takes about good hour and a half, hour and 45 from my house to there and everything. And then you have to wait for your doctor. But today it didn't take too long. I only had to wait about 30 minutes. Now when I go to my chemo doctor, I see it only takes a couple of minutes there just to see him and stuff, depending on what I have to do. I have a port in my chest, so every 8 weeks I got to get it flushed out. And that could take a length of time. Sometimes it's a valve inside there, and not the last time, but the time before that, they had to put some solution in there and let it stay in me for a while, and then they finally got the valve in there to flush out. So since that happened, flushing my port out has been a lot better. Alright, so I know a whole lot of people out there ain't concerned about somebody's health or anything, so I just make it short. Figure a 3-minute video, anybody can hang in there, and who really cares about somebody's channel, or maybe you can pass it on to your next door neighbor or something like that, somebody going through what I'm going through. Alright folks, so y'all have a good blessed day. Here in North Carolina it's raining. Again, the rivers. We were going up there at Chapel Hill a while ago, and each river we seen, it was just flooded. Dams are running over, and I didn't think it rained that much, but it's been raining quite a bit for the last 2 days. All right, folks, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. I guess the average rate sometimes on these things is about 30 seconds, so I'm about 2 minutes and a half over. Okay. All right, guys. All right. We'll see you. Bye.